Hello bachon, let's see the question here. Question says that following given passage, the 5 observations regarding alkali metals are mentioned. On exposure to air, sodium hydroxide become liquid and after some time it changes to white powder. In water, LiF is least soluble fluoride among fluorides of alkali metal, but its solubility increases as HF is added in aqueous solution. LiH more stable than NaH when heated separately. When excess of Na2S2O3 solution is added to the FeCl3 solution, an intense violet coloration is produced. But violet color disappeared shortly. Between Na plus and Ag plus is stronger Lewis acid. As per observation 2, the solubility of LiF increases in presence of HF because the HF further ionized to H plus and F minus. In the presence of H plus, there will be a common ion effect. In the presence of HF, F minus is converted to HF2 minus. All of the above. Here I will start the solution और सबसे पहले हम start करेंगे with key concept in this case. Here in this case it is given that LiF it is least soluble fluoride. The reason being that Li plus this is really small in size. Due to that the LiF bond this will have high traction force and hence it will be least soluble. But now it is said that here HF is added to increase the solubility of LiF. So how does that work? Here HF this can dissociate in H plus and F minus. So F minus in this case this can react with HF and this will form HF2 minus ions. So this HF2 minus ion this will allow and let the LiF solution to dissolve more in water. That is, if we see here the option, the reason being solubility of LiF increases in the presence of HF because here as we can see option C that says in the presence of HF, F minus ion it will convert to HF2 minus and this HF2 minus ion this is responsible for increasing the solubility of LiF in water. Hence C is correct option. I hope you understood the explanation. All the best.